Hello world of the internet, it's Bear here. Wearing my Episco Gators shirt that I made last week at the Chapel House. It means Episcopalian Gators, otherwise known as the Gators, the UF Episcopalians. Also Santa Fe Episcopalians. They accept Santa Fe too, like me. We are heading to Starbucks, but why are we turning the wrong way?
Bank.
Oh, we're going to the bank first. So here's Starbucks. So I got myself a Douceback coffee cake because it's healthy. It's only 20 calories less, but it's reduced fat, probably less sugar, maybe. I got a skimmed milk. Mom, what'd you get?
Chai tea latte and apple crisp.
You get the apple crisp? Now that's a reduced fat apple crisp, right?
No. It's not.
That comes out of her nose. So I learned this week in the health class that I do with my adults with disabilities thing that cinnamon is actually very good for you in small amounts. If you have a whole cup, like the cinnamon challenge, like Glozell did, not so good for you. You could choke and die. But a little bit's good. So we just got our clothes to do the laundry, and of course, it's raining. So we're on our way to the Walgreens. And I just want to show, no, Walmart, excuse me. I mean, like, no houses are damaged or anything from the hurricane, but it is kind of wet and soggy out. Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of puddles, but it's better than having houses torn down. So we're here at Walmart. My grandma's TV stopped working. So I'm the best she could ever find for an electrician, an actor. So yeah, I'm gonna help her find one. Even though I'm not too qualified, I'm the best she got. Oh, and she also needs some headphones because hers, like the black stuff was starting to come off, get all over her face. There we go. Because my mom is trying to run, come by the camping supplies. Yeah. I'm not much of a camper. Did want to look little. So my mom came down this aisle. Guess she wants a hamper or something. Here's some headphones. No, these are the kinds that you can only use on a video game console. So, here they are. Here's one you can get a monkey on it. I don't think she wants that. I'm trying to find her a TV that she might eventually get. She wants a smaller one. My grandpa had this ginormous TV that would scare you when you walk in a room. She didn't want one of those. She's thinking about one of these, but she's thinking maybe she won't be able to see 24-inch too well because it's so small. But it's the same as that one. We're getting these over the ear headphones. They come with a microphone. Yeah. You gotta get a wired kind because her iPad is not Bluetooth, it's just Wi-Fi, so she could use the wireless kind, make it wired. My mom is ran off somewhere again. She's a runner. So we were able to find it. They had one in stock. Now she's gonna entrust me to hook it up. Ooh, they've got all these special edition Harry Potter. Thing is, I've got them all already. Got the 8-film collection on Blu-ray. Dude, running off again. I don't know what she went. That's one an emoji pillow. Oh, is that poop? Is that a poop emoji? Maybe it was chocolate ice cream. No, I think it was poop.
Customer service, you have a call holding on line 1. Thank Yeah, I'm gonna go buy a poop pillow. Sleep, put my head down on some poop. I bet a lot of y'all feel like you want to say this to people sometimes. Hannah Montana's pregnant. And secretly married. So Liam? Anybody used it? Hey! So I got a TV working. Having a hard time with the internet though, because it's apparently just being down in that room over there is too far to get a strong connection. And when I try to get the Netflix app up, it just goes to the cable. Smart TV. So yeah, we're having some problems, but at least I got it set up. She thought I was gonna, either me or the TV would explode, if not both. But that did not happen, thank the Lord. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm just a bear, living a crazy life. Oh yeah.